Hello again, this is Catherine, and I've just finished cooking the Sierra Leone cassava leaf, and I cooked it with nut oil. So I'm now going to remove it. There are several video clips of this cooking because I'm not a photographer, so I don't know how to photograph it. But this is the red pepper I put earlier on. Do not crush it if you have not tasted the food. For me, the pepper that is there right now is okay. So now I'm going to eat it and see how it tastes. Okay, this is my rice which I pre-cooked. I've not eaten anything since morning, so I'm just tasting it to see how it is. Okay, that's will be enough to taste it. Okay, right. Okay, so this is my cassava leaf, cooked cassava leaf. That's so yummy. That is so yummy. Wow. Well, see if you can cook it, because I'm going to be posting several of the segments that I recorded because the camera keeps falling down or whatever. I need to get somebody to be videoing me when I'm doing this cooking. Tuition. This is yummy. I don't need any salt. I don't need any pepper. This is wow. But it's hot bean is just from the fire, the cooker. So my mouth, well, this is all for now. I love you all. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you see more of my cooking, African cooking. Love you. God bless and keep you. Life is important, so take care of yourself, look after yourself, and be aware of what you cook, what you eat. Try not to eat many how you call it now, maybe eat some organic food, organic things, because they are free from preservative. Non-preservative food is good. That's why you say I watched that in the first video. When you watch it, you will see that I watched the ingredients that was in it, that came from a tin, the kidney bean, so that it would not, I don't know what sort of preservative they used in it, where the preservative was made from, whether they used organic, it was organically grown or anything. So be aware of what you eat, so keep a good health. I love you. Bye bye.